What's up, good people? Welcome back to my another vlog. From my previous vlogs, you guys already knew that I love to buy stuff from Amazon. It feels like getting Christmas gifts. So today I just bought this new 4K action camera which just arrived in only 1 week. In this vlog, I'm gonna be showing you guys all the feature it contains and also the extra gadgets provided with this camera. So before I start the review, I want to tell you guys, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and give a thumbs up if you like. So let's go to the unboxing part. So as you guys can see, I opened all the gadgets provided with this camera, which includes like extra battery and the remote to control the camera. Although you have the extra buttons to control the camera itself, and also they provided a microphone to record the video, and also you can record without the microphone, but it helps. Moreover, we have the mount which helps you to like attach the camera with your bike, helmet, wherever you want. So the main stuff which is provided is the user manual, which includes all the possible ways you can use the camera. As you guys can see, it's written on English, so it's really easy for learn how to use the camera and also how to attach it on your bike, helmet. So it's really helpful. So this 4K action camera includes wireless connection, so you guys can connect it with your mobile by this live TV. You guys can easily download this app from Play Store, this live TV app, and connect it with your mobile to control the camera. So as you guys can see, this camera is in the waterproof box, so I can open this box, although it's pretty hard to open. So this is the way to open this box to make it like waterproof. So this is the camera itself. It's a 20 megapixel 4K action camera, and now I'm gonna be like turning it on. So now it's on. So as you guys can see, it's really good. So I can start the recording by clicking this top button, or I can use this remote. So for example, if I click the remote, like if I click the remote, it will start recording, and also if I click this, it will start capturing. So now it's capturing the picture. I can go to the manual and show you guys what feature it contains. So I have all these options, like changing video resolution to 4K to all other. I'm just gonna using it 4K. So it has many options to choose from. So this is the photo resolution, this is the Wi-Fi connector. You need to turn on the Wi-Fi to connect with your mobile by using the live app. Also we have the settings to choose the language. They have many languages to choose from. I'm just gonna keep it in English. So now I'm gonna record some of the clips with this. So now I'm recording the video and also my voice with my 4K action camera. Although I'm in a pretty height, I can see almost everything, including those car and people moving. So I think it's pretty good to make videos with this, and the resolution is also good. So let's go to the waterproof checking part, where I'll be checking if it's waterproof with the waterproof case or not. So as you guys can see, I have put this action camera into waterproof case, and now I'm gonna be checking if it's waterproof or not. Let's take this plastic out. Yeah. So now I'm gonna be turning this camera on. Now you can see it's recording. So I'm dipping this into the water and recording it. So it's in the water now. I'm just gonna try it for a few seconds or minutes. As it box says that this can go, the waterproof depth is 40 meter, so it can go up to 40 meter underwater. Let's just take it out and see if it's still working or not. It's full of water. As you guys can see, it's 1 minute and it's recording. So a waterproof, so it's pretty successful underwater. So guys, that was the vlog reviewing this 4K action camera. I think it's a pretty cool gadget to keep in your pocket while traveling or making some action clips of riding, diving, and I think it's pretty nice to keep it. Leave a comment down below, what do you think about this action camera? I think I'm gonna be using it in my next vlogs. Until then, peace.